So as a final thing with doing weird shaped windows or cracks, I'm going to show you something with this crack. So what I've basically done is I've drawn like a crack as if this was like a big stone block or something like that on the front of my shape. Okay, so there's not going to be anything in the crack. That is a gap between things. So effectively, what I've done is I've just divided my block into three shapes. Here, one, two, three. None of these rules change. Okay, so front of the shape, front, 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 visible corners to the vanishing point. Okay, so put my straight edge on my corner, and I'm just going to connect all these back. Corner, corner. Remember, all visible corners. Can't see that one. All right, there's that one. Notice it goes behind shape 3 right there, so I just stop it that way, right there. This one goes behind shape 2. That corner goes all the way to the back. This corner goes all the way to the back. This corner up here goes behind shape 2, and then this corner goes behind shape 1, and I can't see that one. Okay, so there's nothing in the front, which means there's nothing in the back. Nothing in front, nothing in the back. And then basically, sides end parallel to how they begin. Okay, so here is the beginning corner. I will hold that angle, go back to the back corner, match it. Okay, here is the beginning corner. Keep that angle, go back to the back corner, and match it. And that's it. I can't see the back of this one. It's somewhere in here. So there I've made this big crack. Now I would not recommend putting cracks on two sides, meaning like I put this crack here and I go back into the shape. You probably don't want to put cracks on this side and then have them go this way. That starts to get really weird how they come together. I would just avoid it.